What's going on, guys? Gone at 60. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to give you guys an update. I installed the Hellcat lower airbox in my 2019 Dodge Challenger Scat pack. I put a Hellcat air filter in it, and it's been about 4 months or so, and so I really just want to take off the cover, and I really want to see how clean or dirty my air filter might be, because as you guys know, it has that inlet tube that connects to the headlight, and so I'm just curious what debris is in there. I want to make sure I clean it out, so I'll take you guys with me on this journey. It'll be a quick video, but I just want to quickly show you guys how dirty my air filter is, and so you guys, as you're looking to maybe install one of these yourselves, the lower Hellcat airbox, that you guys can see maybe how clean or how dirty or what kind of maintenance is needed for making sure you keep those clean. So tune in, guys, subscribe, like, comment, heck, leave a bad comment, I don't care, just appreciate all the support, guys, and we'll jump into it. Okay, guys, you can see my engine not as clean as I would like it to be, but still not too bad. So I'm not really going to go through the step-by-step on how to remove the cover. I'll quickly kind of show you guys what it looks like. But you need a Phillips screwdriver, and you have 1, 2, 3, and then you have these clips right here in the back. You guys can see those. You just pop those bad boys off. It lifts off. You may not have to take this off, but you can loosen this coupling, which there's just a flathead screw to be able to do that right there. So this thing comes off, air filter comes out, and I'll show you guys here in just a second what it looks like after 4 months. As you guys know, this inlet tube is in here, and so as you're driving down the road, airflow comes through here, goes into this lower Hellcat airbox, which is down here, and I have a Hellcat air filter on it. So I actually noticed a huge performance gain in actually making this modification. I think Dodge did a great job with their lower Hellcat airbox, and so we're gonna pull off the cover and see what it looks like underneath. Alright, guys, so just kind of looking in here, it's actually not as bad as I thought it would be. I mean, it definitely has some dirt in the inlet tube. It definitely has some. Just kind of show you guys here. I mean, it has more than I would like in there, but it's actually not as bad as I thought it would be. And so yeah, you can kind of see down at the bottom. So I'm just going to spray this out really good, clean it. Here is what the filter looks like. And before I kind of show you guys the filter, let me show you guys really quick the filter that I bought for it, in case you guys are interested in knowing what I'm running. So this is the air filter. It's supposed to be for the Hellcat lower airbox, so it actually lets a little bit more airflow through than the standard air filter that's on the Dodge Challenger Scat pack that comes with it. So as you guys can see here is the model number in case you guys are interested in getting it, but I did notice quite a bit of difference when I did install the lower Hellcat airbox. So this is what it looks like. Just kind of flipping it over, you guys can kind of see, I mean, it definitely has some dirt in there and is dirty, and I'm gonna go ahead and clean this out so it looks better, but yeah, not too bad. I'm not gonna replace this. I would, you know, I'll take some compressed air and clean this off really good. But yeah, guys, if you're installing it, you know, I think it's probably good, a rule of thumb, to clean these out every few months, just to make sure that your engine's getting as much air as possible. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this out really good. And one thing I recommend is you guys are taking off your top cover here. These screws are about that long, so I just recommend holding on to it, because you definitely don't want them to go falling off down into the abyss. It'd be pretty hard to get those suckers back out of there if they fell off. So I'm just gonna set those right here for now. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this off really good and put it back together. Alright, guys, well, that wraps up today's video. What I did to finally finish it up is I took some all-purpose cleaner, sprayed it on a rag, cleaned out the lower airbox really good, cleaned out the inlet tube. I did clean out the air filter with some compressed air. You guys can also maybe lightly tap it against the ground if you don't have compressed air, but it's really not the best way to do it. So maybe you could find your wife's hair dryer if that doesn't work, but you know, you really want to make sure that you get all the debris out, especially as you're cleaning it. So if you guys have a lower Hellcat Airbox, or if you're thinking of installing one, just know that every few months, if you want optimal performance and most airflow coming to your engine, you're going to want to make sure and clean that out. So thank you guys for today's video. Thank you for tuning in. Hope you guys have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.